Today, I'll show you how to add a user in Build.com. Whether you're managing a small business or overseeing a large team, knowing how to add a user in Build.com can streamline your operations and ensure that everyone on your team can access the information they need. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Build.com account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on that gear icon to open up your settings. This is where you can access various configuration options for your account. Within the settings menu, you'll need to locate the section labeled Users and Roles. Depending on your interface or version, this might also be called Your Company. This is the area where you'll manage permissions and roles for everyone in your organization who uses Build.com. Click on the Users option to proceed. Now, you should be on a page that lists all the current users who have access to your Build.com account. At the top of this interface, you'll notice a blue button that says either Invite New User or simply New. This is your gateway to adding a new member to your team. Click this button to start the process. A form will appear where you'll need to enter some basic information about the new user. This includes their personal background fields such as their name and email address. Be sure to fill out all the required fields accurately, as this information will be used to establish the user's account and permissions. Taking the time now to double-check these details will save you headaches down the line. After you've entered all the necessary personal information, it's time to assign a role to this user. In Build.com, roles determine what a user can and cannot do within the system. Depending on your company's needs, you might assign roles such as administrator, clerk, or viewer. Be thoughtful about this choice, as it impacts the user's access and responsibilities. If you're unsure about which role to assign, you might want to consult with your IT department or the person responsible for managing access rights in your organization. Once you've assigned the appropriate role, you're almost done. Simply click the Save button to finalize the addition of this new user to your Build.com account. The system will process your request and, in most cases, send an invitation email to the new user with instructions on how to set up their account. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your Build.com account. By following these steps, you ensure that your team operates smoothly and that everyone has the access they need to perform their roles effectively. Remember, managing user access is a crucial component of maintaining security and efficiency in any business, so it's great that you're taking the time to learn this process. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add a user in Build.com. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips on managing your business with ease. Until next time, happy organizing.